Okay guys, so today is another tutorial edition where I'm going to be teaching you guys, I'm going to be taking you guys on how to design alphabet logo AD. So just want you guys to follow me very clearly and make sure you watch this video before you start practicing for better understanding. Alright, so let's first delete this, then click on this plus icon, then shape. Alright, increase the radius to 50, 52, 53. Alright, reduce it, then OK. Alright, make a duplicate of the shape, then scroll down to color, enable it, and pick the black color. Well, you might choose another color, but then the black color is much preferable. Use the relative choose position to place it at the center. Also for this second one, but then okay. So after getting this, we need one more shape. Alright, but here we need it in black color. Okay, then click on OK. Now we need to move it up a little bit so that it's going to fall on the same line with the other black. Now can you see, now can you see it on the same line with the other one? Okay, so now you click on the layer tools, then merge, click on the selection icon, merge them together. Okay, now go back to erase color. We need to remove the black color, we don't need it. Now while you enabled your erase color, is going to remove the white, but then we need the white itself. So you click on this eyedropper tools here. Okay, it's on black already, then you click on OK. Now for those that have been following my tutorial, you notice I always increase the tolerance when I'm dealing with shape. Now why is that? Why do I need to? Now if you check our image very well here, let me just lock it. Sorry. Alright, so if you check on the image, you see that it has a tiny black line where the other black line were cut out, but then we don't need it. So that is the essence of this tolerance. Now once we increase it, you notice the black is no more there. Alright, so we are done with that. Now we need one more shape, and of course it's going to be a white one. Alright, to fall in line with this, we want the leg to be much kind of long, so you decrease it. Let's see, a little bit. Now you have to, okay, now we got this already. So the next thing for us to do is merge it together again, then okay. Alright, so place it at one end, pin it down. Now that is our D. So let's go on and design A, still using the same shape, but then let's help ourselves make the line straight. Okay, so reduce the height, reduce the width. Alright, so make a duplicate of that, pin the second one. Okay, now you click on edit. Now increase the height, then OK. Once you've done that, we need to rotate. Okay. Alright, let's remove this line so we can see better. Alright, so let's use the position tools to help ourselves a little bit. Alright, so here we are. Now this is our AD, but then now if you notice, the D is crossing on the A line. So how do we go about it so that it's not going to be touching the A line and they will not be disturbing themselves? So you make a duplicate of this last first one. Just click on that pen tools and click on copy. Now we have it here. All you have to do is drag it to this line, then increase the width, scroll down to color, enable it, look for black. Okay, so alright, so you click on the layer icon, you match the first and the last layer together, then match the second and the last also together. Alright, so while having this, go to erase color again. We need to remove the black color. Don't forget, increase the tolerance to 70. Okay, so we have that already. Now this our A shape, we need to crop it to have a straight line under. Okay, just move it up. Good. Okay, so let's move it a bit using the relative tools. Okay, I think it's much closer. Then now I want us to notice this on this black the D shape here, the black that we remove is still showing, but then how do we remove it? So you click on plus again, click on shape, then here you click on the shape icon, then click big circle, reduce the height. Sorry. Okay, now you can place it at any center here. So far it's on the D shape, so you reduce it to the last, let's say tiny. Can you see how tiny mine is? Okay, make sure it falls at the center. So you click on the shape again, on the layer tools, then match the first and the last. I mean the D shape and the small circle we just did. Now merge it, then okay. Can you see that the black is not showing again? The black shape is not showing. So that is that. Then now we are left with adding texture to it, adding our color, but then we are using image from a background image to add texture. So you click on texture, you click on the gallery. Oh, sorry. Alright, so you scroll down to where you have it. Okay, I have it. Sorry, I have it under download. The link to the background color is going to be available in the description. Alright, I have the code. Then okay, increase this. Don't forget to enable this. Alright, so okay, now for the second one again, click on texture, click on the gallery icon. Okay, under photos, so download. Now we are going to be picking the meta light background, which is this. Then okay, now enable again. Okay, so here is our design, but then it's not making sense like this. Why? Because of the background color. So what do we do? Okay, now you click on this fourth icon here, then click on color, scroll down to black. Now can you see it's much better on black like this than on that color. So the last thing for us to do is click on the A icon, text, then edit. Now let's put the name of the company. Let's just say Art Design AD. Okay, alright, we have this already. Let me log this. Okay, so Art Design, let's add a font. Okay, then color. So I'm going to be using this now. The color code for this is FFC107. I hope you get that. Then okay, now let's use our position to move it. Alright, so here we've come to the end of our design. Now the next thing for us is to save. So you click on save here. Don't forget to save yours as project as well. I have it saved already. So you click on this, pick I, then save to gallery. So once you save, the next thing we want to do is turn this design to a mock-up. You know, when it's a mock-up, most times it's always better when you have a logo in mock-up. It's always better than saving it without background for my mock-up. Okay, so after then click on the three dots, use image from gallery. Alright, the link for this is also in the description, the mockup background. So let me locate it. Okay, alright, so now don't bother about this since you save it as project already and you already save it as image. All you have to do is just click on the i2, then come back to the plus icon from gallery. Now select the image we just saved without background. So here is mine. Alright, so now reduce the size, rotate it, okay, alright. So now after this, it's making sense on this, but then we need to apply some things. Now just click on emboss, enable it, then here it is. Okay, the light angle to be on 21, then scroll down, the bevel level it is in 9. Yes, I think 9 is better. Okay, alright, then click on OK. Now we need to add a shadow to this. Let me lock it. Now from the background, we should notice that the light is coming from this angle, light angle. So if you are going to add a shadow, the shadow should fall to this same line. So what do we do? Let's click on it, then to shadow, enable the blur radius to be 3, offset should be 8, then offset y 4. Let's decrease this to 7. Okay, better still on 6. I think this is better. Okay, so let's reduce the size again. No. Okay, so here we've come to the end of our design. Now save as image. Don't forget to always click on that dimension, then save to gallery. Alright, so let's go to gallery. Now this was the old one I did, so this is our design.